Welcome to Franchise Republic. In this video, we are going to feature SIO Republic franchise business ideas. SIO Republic, the #1 and fastest growing SIOMAI food cart franchise in the country. The corporation was informally started in 2009. The first store of SIO Republic was born in Polo, Valenzuela City. Their goal by then of putting business is just to earn extra income that will cover their daily expenses. The feedback of the market for its first year is great until they decided to share this business opportunity for those who wanted to earn also. They maintain the business concept as handmade SIOMAI, which in the past 7 years are still existed and continues growing to the market. Their target market. They observe the huge market of the SIOMAI industry and it's quite expensive for Class C and D who wanted also to eat dim sum or SIOMAI. For the SIO Republic products, their SIOMAI is homemade, crafted by hand, starting from scratch, and what makes them different from the other SIOMAI stall is their sauces and the preparation. The unique way of preparing SIOMAI is to drizzle it with soy sauce, toppings of roasted garlic and chili sauce. Below are their products: regular pork, regular chicken, premium pork, Haponesa, Siopito, and milk tea. For the franchise packages, package number 1, SIO Food Cart, with a total franchise package 40,000 pesos all in. For the package inclusion, it includes 2 years franchise fee, food cart, steamer, gas stove, kitchen utensils, juicer, menu board, and take note, initial products are not included. Franchise package number 2, SIO Bike Cart, with a franchise package worth 40,000 pesos all in. For the package inclusion, 2 years franchise fee, bike cart, steamer, gas stove, kitchen utensil, juicer, and menu board. Take note, initial products are not included. Franchise package number 3, SIO Plus, with the franchise package worth 50,000 pesos all in. For the package inclusion, it includes 2 years franchise fee, products worth 15,000 pesos, steamer, gas stove, kitchen utensils, juicer, menu board, and tarpaulin. Take note, store development, construction, renovation are not included. The following are the franchise requirements: DTI permit, letter of intent, proposed site location, barangay permit, and business permit. For the franchising procedure, the process follows 7 days of flow. Number 1, send letter of intent via email at inquiry@siorepublic.com.ph once approved. Number 2, present the proposed site and submit at least 2 to 3 options once approved. Number 3, signing of the franchise agreement. Number 4, secure necessary business documents such as contract of lease, DTI, barangay permit, and business permit. Number 5, settle the payment for franchise. Number 6, actual orientation and training in the store. Number 7, training of the staff or crew. Number 8, support for setting up the store. Number 9, grand opening of the store. For the franchising benefits, number 1, use of trade name and logo. Number 2, use of exclusive ordering system. Number 3, use of franchise name. Number 4, store opening assistance. Number 5, after sales assistance. Number 6, professional management system. Number 7, system-wide and local store managing support. Number 8, operational support. Number 9, logistics support. Number 10, Tri-Media Advertisement. Number 11, digital and multimedia advertisement. Number 12, fast return of investment. What to consider when franchising SIO Republic? Number 1, make sure that you really want to own this franchise and this will best fit your venture among other offered business opportunities. Number 2, be certain that you can work harmoniously with SIO Republic franchise and it is within your interest. A visit to one of the franchise store will help you be more aware of operation and proceedings. Number 3, carefully study the terms and condition, franchise agreement, and what are included in franchising SIO Republic. Number 4, check if SIO Republic franchise will be compatible with the rules and regulation as well as existing laws of chosen location. Number 5, best location is one key aspect to have a successful SIO Republic franchise. Study the environment and see if your business suits the surroundings. For the contact details, you may contact SIO Food Corporation with the address 144 Flamenco Street, Panghulo, Obando, Bulacan, Philippines. You may call them at telephone number 0282877006 and you can also call their mobile number 0935-735-0799 and 0997-369-4001. You can send them an email at inquiry.siorepublic@gmail.com or customercare@siorepublic.com. You can also visit their website at www.jessiofoodcorp.com. What are you waiting for? Have a franchise of SIO Republic franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.